to study sequence and series. Am I right? Already we started definition already. But anyway, in the starting itself on second we today we can recall sequence and series. That is our fifth chapter. Okay, fifth unit. Okay, what is sequence? Guys, simply we can say
numbers following a particular pattern.
sorry.
Numbers following particular pattern.
Particular pattern means
Having some common difference or common ratio.
common difference of okay. Listen here. The sequence is nothing but sequence is an arrangement of numbers. Okay. For example, okay, this is a sequence. See here, 2 adding here 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 8. Common difference are there. Is right, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Using order 2, 4, 6, 8 likewise. Okay, this is sequence. And then we can say that up to the nth term, that is an we have taken. Okay. And then what is the next definition for sequence? And then after this one, what I have given? Next definition. In the last class, I have given no, some definitions. Guys? What I have given in the last class. I think that the PDF for that notes already I posted in the WhatsApp group. Once you go through that notes, no problem. Next definition then. Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
I will explain. Okay, this is one sequence. We can take this is also sequence, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the difference? 1
One
by 2 divided by 2. Okay. This is up to after this nth term, what will come? 2, 4, 6, 8, etc. To till. Tell me. Till.
an.
Okay, an and thereafter.
an plus 2.
Plus n minus 1 into d.
Last term I'm asking you.
A plus n minus 1 into d.
an plus 2.
What is this?
Infinite.
Infinity. Up to?
Infinite.
Infinite. Okay. Okay. This is a convergent sequence or a divergent sequence? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
This is convergent sequence or divergent sequence? This one.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm asking you, you tell me this is convergent sequence or divergent sequence? This one.
Convergence.
Convergence. How can we say that this is convergence series? Convergence sequence means what?
In convergence sequence, we'll put un by vn. Limit tends to the n tends to infinity, and if the division value is positive, then it is convergence. If not, it's divergence.
It's not, it's divergence. I think second I will show you that PDF. Then only 1 second. Okay, guys, listen here. 1 second, I will explain. Guys, all of listen here. A set of number sequence, a set of numbers a1, a2, etc., an, etc. Okay, here also I have given an example 2, 4, 8 likewise. Such that to each positive integer n, there corresponds a an if the set is called a sequence and is denoted by an. Okay, any doubt in sequence definition? Guys?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Okay. Yeah,
No, ma'am.
next one note, in a set number the elements may be in any order, but in sequence elements are arranged in a definite order. Okay, this is an important note. For example, if an equal to 1 by n means the sequence 1 comma 1 by 2 comma 1 by 3 etc. 1 by n etc. If an equal to k means the sequence is kk. Okay, this is we can write nth term. Okay, like this, an equal to 1 by n for the first sequence, for the second sequence an equal to k. Both are same. Okay, and then consider the one sequence n by n plus 1. Okay, consider the sequence n by n plus 1. Limit approaches to infinity here, n by n plus 1 equal to, and then take out the maximum power of n. Already we are having in the numerator n, the denominator also taking outside common n. We are getting 1 plus 1 by n. And then n tends to infinity, we'll get 1. 1 by infinity value 0, n cancel, we are getting 1. Okay, guys, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. That is, the term of the sequence can be arbitrarily close to the limit L by taking n sufficiently large. Okay. If limit n tends to infinity, an exists. Okay, when n approaches to infinity, an exists means if we get some finite value. Okay, exists, we say that the sequence converges. Okay, if limit n tends to infinity, an exists. Exists means if we get some finite value. Okay, we say that the sequences converges, otherwise it diverges. Okay, next oscillatory sequence. Oscillatory sequence is nothing but minus 1 to the whole power n. I will give you one example. Oscillatory sequence is minus 1 to the whole power n. Okay, when n is equal to 1, what will be an? When n equal to 1, tell me.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. When n equal to 2?
1.
1. When n equal to 3?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Then 4? Minus 1 plus 1. Okay, this is coming like this. Minus 1, 1, minus 1, 1 like this. This is the oscillating sequence. Okay, you cannot say whether the sequence is convergence or divergence. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Guys, is it clear? Oscillating sequence. Minus 1 to the whole power n is an oscillating sequence. Okay. Okay, next. Yeah. Next one is monotonically increasing sequence and monotonically decreasing sequence. What is this? Yeah. Okay. Monotonically increasing sequence is nothing but a n plus 1 minus a n. Yeah. In case if you have 1, 3, 6, 9. Here what is a n plus 1? Sorry, I am sharing my notes. 1 second. Guys, listen here. Monotonic increasing sequence is nothing but if you are taking that sequence like 1, 3, 6, 9. What is that? What is the an plus 1 minus an? Okay, an plus 1 minus a1 is less than 0. Greater than 0 means what?
Monotonically increasing.
Monotonically increasing sequence, because see here 3 minus 1 equal to what?
2.
2 positive number, that is greater than 0 means the sequence we can say that this is a monotonically increasing sequence. 6 minus 3 will be 3, 9 minus 6 will be 3. Okay. In case if you are taking a 3, 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2 likewise. What is here an plus 1 minus an?
Negative.
Minus 1.
Less than 0. Negative.
Monotonically
Decrease.
Okay, first one is definition for sequence, and then convergent sequence, divergent sequence. If limit n tends to infinity, an as exists means we can say that convergent sequence. Otherwise, it is a divergent sequence. And then next one, oscillating sequence. Oscillating sequence is nothing but we cannot conclude the sequence whether the sequence convergence or divergence. That is the oscillating sequence. Next one is monotonically increasing. That is an plus 1 minus an should be greater than 0. And an plus 1 minus an is, should be in here is less than 0. That is a monotonically decreasing sequence. Okay, guys. What is the next definition? What I have given?
Infinite series.
Next infinite series. Next is there's a sequence over next series. Okay, what is the definition for series? Series definition, guys, tell me. See, if an is a sequence, then summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an equal to a1 plus a2 plus etc. to infinity. A series is nothing but sum of the total values. Okay, sum of the values, total values is called and the infinite series. You see, summation n is equal to 1 to infinity an. Okay, let us take Sn is equal to a1 plus a2 plus etc. an. Here Sn is the sequence of first n terms of the series summation an. Okay, S1 equal to A1, S2 equal to sum of the first 2 elements, S3 is nothing but sum of the first 3 elements. Okay, summation an converges if some Sn converges. Both are same only. Okay, these are the basic definitions in the 5th chapter. And also you should remember one theorem. Yeah, see here is 1 by n power p. One second. Guys, write this one theorem statement. This is very, very important. The series summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n power p, and that is 1 by 1 power p plus 1 by 2 power p plus 1 by 3 power p plus etc. to infinity. First one is then the convergence for p greater than 1. Divergence for p less than 1. This is very, very important theorem. This statement only enough. The series, if the series summation n is equal to 1 to infinity 1 by n power p equal to 1 by p, when we expand this, we'll get the sequence. We'll get the series. Then the convergence for p greater than 1. Okay, for p less than 1, the series is diverges. This is important statement. Okay. Okay. Next, comparison test. First test, comparison test. Guys, all of you write everything clearly from at least from this one. From this is important statement. First test is comparison test. Guys, are you writing? Guys, I'm audible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay.
Is there any name for this theorem?
Sorry?
Is there any name for this theorem which
No. Only state no name. First, you write the statement for comparison test. Let summation un and summation vn be two series of positive terms. The two series of positive terms such that
Ma'am, voice is lagging.
sorry.
Voice is lagging.
Oh. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait for a few minutes.
Ma'am, it's okay now.
That's fine, ma'am.
Okay. Series of positive terms such that limit n tends to infinity un by vn equal to L.
Ma'am, repeat again. Ma'am,
Limit
repeat
n
again.
tends starting itself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let summation un and summation vn. Guys, are you able to see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. let summation un and summation vn be two series of positive terms, such that limit n tends to infinity un by vn equal to l. What is l here?
Non-zero finite number.
L is a non-zero finite number. Okay. Then summation un and summation vn both converge or diverge. Then summation un and summation vn are both converge or diverge together. That is summation un converges if and only if summation vn converges. Summation un diverges if and only if summation vn also diverges. This is the comparison test statement. Only statement only enough. Proof no need. Okay, using this statement only, we are going to check the problems or whether it is a convergence series or divergence series. Okay, guys, if you have any doubt in the statement, first you ask me. We have to check the limit n tends to infinity un by vn equal to l. Here l is a non-zero positive number. Okay. Once you go through that statement, if you have any doubt, first you ask me. Because if you clear in this statement, you can easily solve the problems. Problems are simple problems. Okay. Guys, listen here. In this method, you just listen only one problem. Enough for you. Thereafter, you can solve easily all the problems. Okay? Listen here. Test the convergence of the series. Okay. Okay. Using the comparison test statement, we are going to check whether this series is convergence or divergence. Okay. What we have to do? First step, you tell me using this statement. Right or wrong, no problem. You just tell me.
Write un and vn.
Okay. First, we need to write un using the given series. How can we write un?
1 upon n into n plus 1.
First, we have to write the nth term. Okay, nth term. See, 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4. 1 by n into n plus 1. Okay, okay, ma'am. I don't know how to write the nth term. I think one formula is there.
An is equal to A plus 1 n minus 1 into D.
Tell me.
An is equal to A1
A1.
plus
Mm.
n minus 1 into D.
What is A1 here?
A1 is the first term of the series.
1 by 2 here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This become n minus 1 is?
Nth term minus.
Okay. N minus 1. To D, what is D?
Difference.
Difference, tell me. We can check, no, we know that in this problem directly we can make 1 by n into n plus 1 the formula here. What will be the value?
6 minus 1 by
Huh?
1 by 6 minus 1.
Ma'am, the first term is 1 by 1.2, not 1 by 2, no?
1 by?
1.2.
It's not point, it's multiplication. 1 into 2, 2 into 3. It's not point.
Multiplication, this is not 1.2, 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4.
Okay, ma'am.
What is A1, tell me? We have to take 1 by 2 or 2?
Ma'am, why are we applying this formula?
Huh?
To find nth term.
Formulas, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma, you tell me.
Difference 1.
A1, what is A1 first you tell me? 1 by 2 or 2 here?
1 by
1
2.
by 1 point.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 plus n minus 1. N minus 1 only.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because
Difference?
n
Difference? Tell me.
Minus 1 by 3.
Minus 1 by 12.
1 by?
Minus 1 by 3.
And minus 1 by 3. 1 by 6.
2 minus 1 by?
3.
3.
That is minus 1 by
1 by
3. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
We can check anyway. This is the correct. Tell me, and then? Our answer is 1 by n plus 1, yeah. You check and then tell me. First you check with this formula. Then tell me, yeah. Anybody's checking? Say yes or no. Okay, you check and then tell me first I will solve this problem. Okay? Hereafter, after writing UL, what do you have to do? Tell me. We need UN also. Am I right? Using the differences, we don't hear UN. And what is BN? How can we write
1 by n squared.
1 by n square? How? How can we write? You tell me. Okay, 1 by n square, we know that. How can we write? Is there any rule to write BN? If you know, say yes, otherwise say please say you reply. Okay, I will explain this here. Dn is nothing but here what one only is there. In the numerator separately we have to take the maximum power of n. That is in case if we are having here n square in the numerator is there, we have to take n square. Here there is no n, only 1 is there, we can take 1. In the denominator, n into n plus 1 is nothing but n square plus n. What is the maximum power of n here? 2.
Square and square.
That is n square. Okay, using this root, how to
If
write?
there is a constant, if in another question, if there is a constant with it, like into 3, then we'll have to take that 3 also with it, the constant.
No.
Or-
Only in the nth term, n values only we have to take.
Not the constant which we.
No need to take the constant values.
Okay.
Okay, here 1 is there, that's why 1, there is no n in the numerator. In the denominator, n square plus n, maximum power of n is 2, that's why n square. Okay,
Ma'am, we wrote UN using the sequence, na?
using the given series, we have to write un.
Okay, ma'am.
Nth term we are writing. Sometimes directly they can give un, like an equal to this, they can give. Sometimes they can give like this series. Okay.
And for Vn in numerator, we also have to take the maximum power, na? In numerator also, like if we have.
Numerator also maximum power we have to write, but in this problem we are having only 1. That's why we have taken here only 1.
Ma'am, in the next question, can you take that example where there will be a numerator?
Different numbers I will explain. Okay. UN, VN, any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What do you have to do? What is the
UN upon VN.
We need
UN
to
upon
UN
VN.
upon
UN by
VN.
Vn. Okay, UN by Vn. 1 by n into n plus 1 divided by this one in the numerator. Okay, first one step I will write like this, and then in the next step I will write 1 by n into n plus 1 into n square. Okay, that is n by n plus 1. Okay, now and then limit
It's n tends to infinite. N tends to
n tends
infinite.
to infinity un by vn. Limit n tends to infinity. What we have to do here? Infinity by infinity will come.
The numerator into.
In the denominator, taking outside common.
Yes,
And-
ma'am. Yes.
Okay. 1 plus 1.
1 by n.
1 by n.
So now here n approaches to infinity. 1 by infinity value is
0.
0. We are getting only 1. What is 1? This is positive number, non-zero, and also
Convergence.
finite.
Finite.
That is the given series is
Convergence.
convergence series. 1 second.
Ma'am, can you again explain this? Like, why did we get Vn is equals to 1 upon n square?
1 second. I will explain. Yeah, this one you understood? UN? Nth term of the given series.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Vn, how can we write means? Here this is 1 by n into n plus 1 is there. In the numerator, we have to take the maximum power of n, including that n. What is the maximum power of n in the numerator? There is no n in the numerator. That's why we have taken here 1. In the denominator, maximum power of n?
N square.
N square. That is n square. Okay? Please, you should remember, is the rule, this is the rule to find Dn. We have to take in the numerator maximum power of n and the denominator also maximum power of n. Okay? And then we have to find un by vn, and then here limit n tends to infinity. Un by dn value is 1, that is finite number, that is convergence. Okay. And
Ma'am, can you please show lower part of the board?
Okay. Okay. What about Vn? We have to check separately for Vn, no? Guys, what about Vn? Convergence sequence, convergence.
Highest power n.
I have given no one theorem statement. I use that statement here. 1 by n power p. Here, what is p? What is p here?
2.
2.
2.
2.
What is the statement? If p greater than 1, the given series
Convergent.
Convergence.
convergence. Okay, use that theorem statement here for finding that Vn is convergence or divergence. Okay, summation Vn is convergence. First, we have to check Un by Vn convergence or divergence, and also we have to check separately for Vn using that theorem statement. Here, summation Vn is convergence because here P is greater than 1. Okay.
And we are not able to see the top part.
Ma'am, if P is equals to 1, then
Equal, less than or equal to 1 I have given, I think.
no, ma'am, you told less than.
Only less than 1, less than or equal to 1 means divergence. P greater than 1 means convergence. P less than or equal to 1 means divergence.
Okay, ma'am.
I did not give less than or equal to.
No, ma'am.
Okay, very important statement. Less than or equal to 1. Here summation Un is convergence. Summation Un is 1 by n square is convergence. Okay. Summation Un is also convergent. Right, clearly, if you analyze one single problem, we can easily solve the remaining problems. See, when we find the Un by Dn, here we can't say that this is convergent or divergent. Just here limit exists, that's a finite number. Okay. After checking the Dn only, we can say that Un is convergent or divergent. In case here summation Vn is divergence, what will be Un?
Diverging.
Divergent. Here limit n tends to infinity Un by Vn equal to 1, that is finite number. Okay, in this term, we can't say that this is convergent series or divergent series. After finding that Vn value only, that is Vn is convergence or divergence, only we can say that Un is convergent or divergent. Okay. Can I give the next problem? Guys, test the convergence. One into 2 by 3 into 4 into 5 plus 2 into 3 by 4 into 5 into 6 plus 3 into 4. This is 3. First we write dn and then write dn. Then you find the limit n tends to infinity dn by dn value. What is the un first? You tell me.
N into n plus 1 upon n plus 2 into n plus 3 into n plus 4.
N plus into
N plus n plus 3 into n plus 4.
Okay.
Vn is equal to n square by n cube, which will be 1 by n again. 1 by n.
That's 1 by n. Okay, have you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Here n square maximum power, here n cube. Anyway, on n square cancel, we are getting 1 by n.
Ma'am, can you explain once how un came?
Sorry?
Ma'am, can you explain once how un
Vn.
un.
un, yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is the n into n plus 1 is nothing but n square plus n. What is the maximum power of n in the numerator?
Ma'am, I am asking un.
Un. Okay, okay. 1 into 2, 2 into 3, 3 into 4. 1, 2, 3 likewise is there, that is n.
Okay, ma'am.
Here see, second term 2, 3, 4, but one starting values are 2 here. That is n plus 1.
Okay.
The denominator see here starting number 3, 3, 4, 5, that is n plus 2.
So, ma'am, we are taking n as the first term of the numerator.
Here.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, for un, every time we'll take the first term of the numerator, which is the smallest.
Not every time. According to the given series, we have to write the un.
Okay, ma'am, I'm asking, suppose if the series had started from 2 into 3 plus 3.
Yeah, you start 2 into 3 means first you start write n plus 1. N will not come.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
According to the given series, we have to write the nth term. Sometimes directly they can give nth term. Sometimes they can give like this, like this. We have to write the nth term. Use this formula. First, you have to tell me how can we use this formula in the series. Okay, ma'am. I don't know how to write the nth term using the given series. We can use this formula here, but you did not say that you studied already this one. Using this formula, we can write the correct nth term.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
1 second. Tell me.
Ma'am, if in UN, if the means in the UN, the greatest power we have to take it in VN. So if it was like 3n square upon 4n cube, then also we'll write 1 upon n, or we'll take that 3 by 4.
1 by n only.
We'll not take that 3 by 4.
No,
Okay.
no. No need to take that part. values. Only maximum power of n, including that n, we have to take. Okay, and then check here, un by vn. This is un, n into n plus 1 by n plus 2, n plus 3 into n plus 4. Directly I will write the reciprocal value for this. Divided by 1 by n, that is into n. What will come?
Mom, 1 only.
Sorry? The numerator, n square. In here, 1 only is there. Overall, I am asking n plus 2 into n plus 3 into n plus 4. And then limit n tends to infinity un by vn. Tell me.
Mom, 1.
One final answer. Okay. Tell me. Here n cube is there. That is n cube plus n square. Okay, multiply with this n square into n plus 1, that is n cube. Oh. N cube, take outside common n cube.
Video is lagging.
Now, guys, now okay? N cube, taking outside the take out that maximum power of n here, n3, that is n cube, take out common, n cube into 1 plus, what will come?
1 by n.
1 by
1 by n. Why we are writing in this form here?
so that we can cancel out with the denominator.
Exactly.
It has
Take out common one n, that is n into 1 plus 2 by n, n into 1 plus 3 by n, n into 1 plus 4 by n. Here overall n into n into n, n cube, and n cancel out. And then here limit n tends to infinity.
infinity.
0.
0.
Here 1 into 1 into 1 into, that is 1, a finite number. Okay, now we can check Vn. Vn, what is the power? N power 1.
1.
1 means
Divergence.
Diverges.
Vn is divergence. And that is P equal to 1. Okay, P equal to 1. 1 by n is divergence. Therefore, summation un is also
Divergent.
divergence. Okay, guys, all of you write everything clearly. Next problem. First we have to write the correct nth term, yeah. Okay. In case if we did any mistake here itself, fully wrong. Okay, wrong answer will come. First we have to write the correct nth term. This is the second problem. The third problem. If anything not visible clearly on the board, you please ask me. 1 second, I will tell you.
I mean, the second question, the sequence is convergent, na?
Divergent.
No, the sequence. It's convergent or divergent?
Divergent.
The sequence also.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So, ma'am, this is whenever P is equals to 1, Vn will be diverging.
Yes, ma. P equal to 1 means this is what the theorem statement saying that P less than or equal to 1 means divergence. Greater than 1 means convergence. According to that Vn value only, we are deciding the given series is convergence or divergence.
Ma'am, the question which you gave now is convergence, no?
Yeah, test the convergence of means this may be a divergence. In the first problem I have given. This is not a problem. No issue. Okay. Sometimes they can give test this is a divergence. Or sometimes they can give test this given series a convergence or divergence. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. First you write the nth term for this. I will come.
UN
2n plus 1.
2n plus 1 upon n square into n.
2n plus 1 whole square.
Right?
N
N
square.
square into n plus 1 whole square.
Guys, first we have to write the correct nth term. And then here
1 by n cube. Vn is 1 by n cube. N cube. Ma'am, because from there n ki power 4 will come from the numerator and from the denominator only n will come. So n upon n ki power 4 would be 1 upon n cube. N cube.
okay, guys. Okay. And then you
We'll get 2.
2, ma'am.
2.
okay. First you write the correct step. N into. From this take of the common.
We'll take n common and it would be n square into 2 plus 1 by n.
1 by n. In the denominator also taking outside common n square.
1 plus 1 by n whole square.
Okay. Limit n tends to 1 by
2. 0.
Denominator 1 plus finite. Then check Vn.
Vn is it's in the p is greater than 0, that's why it's convergence.
Vn is 1 by n cube greater than 1.
Convergence.
Summation 1 by n cube is convergence. Also convergence.
So when we find the L limit that un upon Vn, if it is a fraction or negative also it's fine.
We have to apply the different test. Comparison test will not applicable in case if we get different value here, 0 or negative value or something else.
Fraction also it won't be valid.
Finite number, we should get here finite number not equal to 0. Non-zero finite number. Then only we can apply here comparison test. In case if we get
negative,
0 or different value, we have to check some other test. This is our first test, comparison test.
Okay.
Any doubt, guys?
No, ma'am.
Next problem. Test the convergence of the series whose entity is directly given to this problem. N by 1 plus n into root of n plus 1. N by 1 plus n into root of n plus 1.
Now what is this question?
What's the nth term?
Un.
Un. Find test the convergence of the series.
Ma'am, voice is not coming clearly.
N by 1 plus n.
Ma'am,
Nth term.
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, repeat the question.
Test the convergence of the series. Test the convergence of the series whose nth term is n by 1 plus n into root of n plus 1.
Ma'am, your voice is not clear.
Oh.
This is un and we have to test the convergence of this question. This is un.
Yes, that's it. Directly he has given nth term. Just you check. Just first you find it. This is u minus 7 by 1 plus 7 into root of n plus 1. So the
Would be 1.
1 by root n.
1.
n into n 1 by 2, that is n power.
And to the power 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
That is 1 by
Root n.
1 by 1 by 2. Here will be n. Five.
Ma'am, it will be 1. the limit n tends to infinity,
Okay.
L would be 1.
And the numerator n power 3 by 2.
3 by 2.
Here
1 plus n to the power 3 by 2 plus n to the power 1 by 2.
n power 3 by 2. 1 plus.
No.
Yeah, n power 1 by 2 is the root of
1 by 3 by 2. Yes, ma'am.
1,
No.
1 by 1 plus 1 by 1 by n.
1 by n.
Yes, ma'am.
Now again taking outside common.
N ki power 3 by 2 will take common, and then it would be 1 upon 1 upon n ki power 3 by 2, 1 upon n ki power 3 by 2 plus
1
the
by
root 1 whole root 1 plus.
Right? Guys,
Yes, ma'am. It will
Now-
be 1.
it will be
1. Means 1 by n ki power 3 by 2 would be 0.
0.
And then from the root we'll get 1. So it would be 1 by 1, that is 1.
That is not equal to 0 and also finite. Then you check Vn.
Divergence.
P value is 1 by
Convergence.
less than 1 means divergence. Okay, 1 by root n. Okay, we solved 4 problems. If you have any doubt in this test, first you ask me, and then next we go for the D elements root test. Very simple test.
Ma'am, after calculating limit n tends to infinity un by vn, how you are calculating vn, like p is greater than or less than 1? Can you please again tell?
This one, I have given one theorem statement. Using that theorem only we are writing this. According to that power value here, what is the power of n here in Vn?
N ki power minus 1 by 2.
1 by 2 in the denominator.
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 2 means less than 1.
1.
I have given that the statement. Did you write the theorem
Yes, ma'am.
statement? P less than 1 means sorry, this is less than, not a greater than. In the last one, less than 1 means less than or equal to 1 means divergence. Okay, here less than 1, that's why we are saying that the summation Vn is divergence. That is 1 by 2. In case here instead of 1 by 2, I think in the last problem, what is Vn value? I think 1 by n cube.
Yes,
1
ma'am.
by n cube. Yes, ma'am.
1 by n cube.
Greater than 1.
Yes, ma'am.
P value. That is divergence. Convergence.
But then we
You
have to
should
calculate
remember
un.
that theorem statement. That one is very important.
Okay.
Now ask for doubts. I think you not understand clearly.
Ma'am, if we can take out the convergence and divergence from Vn and Un itself, why are we taking out Un by Vn?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Then we able to check. First we are writing Vn value using that rule, maximum power of n. If we get Un by Vn value is this, and then also we here n tends to infinity. When n approaches to infinity, if we get the finite value only, again we can check the value of Vn values, divergence or convergence using that theorem statement. Otherwise, we can't check that divergence or convergence.
Ma'am, can you repeat once again? Ma'am, can
Sorry?
you repeat once again?
Okay, ma'am. This is our UN event. Okay, this is understood.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, Vn. I think you know that how to write Vn value. No issue.
No, ma'am.
Okay. And then we have to check Un by Vn. You are asking me why we have to check Un by Vn. Directly, why can't we write Vn using that theorem statement? Why can't we write, ma'am, this is convergence or divergence? This is your question. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
If we get a finite value when limit n tends to infinity, un by vn equal to 1. In this problem 1, if we get non-zero finite value only, next we can go for that checking concept. Otherwise, we can't able to check that condition. First, we should get non-zero finite value.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay. Wait a minute. Wait. Okay, guys, if you have any doubt, ask me in this.
And ma'am, if the value of un by vn is equals to 0, then ma'am, we cannot write anything that it's converging or diverging.
We cannot write. We cannot use a comparison test.
So ma'am, we'll write in the statement that this cannot be concluded.
No. Again, after checking this, in case if we get here equal to 0 means next we have to use some other test.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
1 second. Guys, can I rub this side? Full problem?
Yes, ma'am, you can rub.
One second, ma'am. I will give you the statement for the next test. T. Alembert's ratio list. One second. Guys, the notes visible for you? Guys? Okay, ma. First you write the statement. Let a summation n is equal to 1 to infinity un be a series of positive terms. All of you write this statement. You just like that, you don't go through the statement. This is important. Each and every test using that statement only we are deriving. Statement very important. Okay. Let a summation n is equal to 1 to infinity un be a series of positive terms such that limit n tends to infinity un by un plus 1 equal to L. Un by un plus 1 equal to, once I will write on the board, I think. Positive terms of limit n tends to infinity un by un plus 1 equal to L. Here, the series summation un is convergence if L greater than 1. L greater than 1 means convergent. L less than 1 means divergent. Otherwise, if we get equal to 1 means The test is failed. So next we go for some other test. Cannot conclude. Okay. That is summation UN may be converge or diverge if L is equal. Did you write the statement, guys?
No, ma'am.
What are you doing? The notes visible for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Why you are saying that you did not write? Only 2 lines are there.
Yes, ma'am. Done. Yes, ma'am. Good.
Right, all of you write.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the statement? Ma'am, one time.
See, this is not visible for you.
Ma'am, statement. Board. Ma'am, I written what you written on board. Ma'am, statement.
See, ma, this is the statement. D elements ratio test is there. No, you have to write fully. I did not write fully on the board.
Ma'am, your screen share is not visible, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's
Not,
visible.
that's why
Don't pin ma'am to the screen. Unpin it. You can see the screen afterwards.
guys, all of you tell me, otherwise I will read out. This is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Somebody that did not get why?
They have pinned you.
Oh.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you write, guys, important. Otherwise, you tell me, I will read out, no issue. I will dictate. What's the time? 10:20 or nearly. Tell me at least 1 or 2 problems we have to solve. And this method.
Ma'am, this chapter is coming in CT3.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, what is the syllabus for CP3?
I did not ask the coordinator. I will tell you. Okay, in the next class, sure. I will tell you. Okay, did you finish? Guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, first I will give you one small question and then you can take this one.
Can you show the statement once?
Oh, wait a minute. This one. Guys, can I stop the sharing?
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody's writing?
No, ma'am.
Okay. This is the example. This is the statement written here. Simply I will explain. All of you listen here. Limit n tends to infinity un by un plus 1. We can take un plus 1 by un also, no issue. Okay. For your convenience, we can take un by un plus 1 or un plus 1 by un. Okay, we can take in any order. Equal to L. Guys, I'm audible?
Yes, ma'am. You
Yes,
are
ma'am.
audible.
Okay, equal to L. Here, if L greater than 1, It is
Convergent.
convergent series. Okay?
Yes.
Greater than 1 means convergent series. If L is less than 1 means divergent series. In case if L is equal to 1 means we cannot conclude this one is convergence or divergence. This may be convergent series or divergent series. Okay? We cannot conclude only in case if we get L equal to 1 or L equal to 0, we have to apply any other test. Okay? Understood statement? Simple. Please say yes or no.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is a given UN. Directly he has given nth term. First we have to what we have to do in the first step. You tell me. This is
N plus
UN. We
one.
have
UN
what we have to find UN
plus 1.
Okay. 1 by n plus 1 into 2 power
N plus 1.
and then
UN upon UN plus 1.
UN by UN plus 1. Tell me. UN is 1 by n into 2 power n. UN plus 1. I think in the numerator directly we can write reciprocal value for this.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. N plus 1 into
Upon N.
power n plus 1. That's it. Tell me.
We'll get 2 into N plus 1 upon N.
2 into here 2 power n and 2 power n cancel. We are getting
Into n plus 1.
n plus 1 into 2 by n.
N.
That is, this is the value. This is the value for UN by UN plus 1. Isn't it? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Here after what we have to do? Limit n tends to infinity. N after UN by UN plus 1. What we have to do? Taking outside common.
N.
N. 1 plus 1 by n into 2 by n. N cancel.
2.
1 by infinity is 0. It will be 2. 2 means what is our statement?
Convergence.
Greater than 1 means convergence.
It will converge.
This is convergence. That convergence. This is simple test. Understood, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Okay, guys.
Ma'am, we can use this test only if in the previous test the value of UN by VN is 0.
No. In the previous test, UN by VN is finite.
Ma'am, I'm asking that we can use this test only if in the previous comparison test the value of UN by VN is 0.
No. See, here equal to 0 is a condition is not there, no?
Previous test, ma'am. We can
In the previous test, only for finite number non-zero.
Ma'am, you told me if in previous test we get the value of UN by VN as 0, then only we can use this test.
No, not this one. With this one, if we get 0, what will be the value? This is a greater than 1, less than 1, equal to 1 only is there.
Both tests are different.
No,
It is
ma'am.
not apply.
if in previous test we get the
Yes,
value of un by vn as 0, then we will use another test.
Another test.
This is not that
One
test.
also.
Okay, ma'am.
This is not that test. Another test it is.
Another test. Yes, exactly. Okay, the sequence in this problem, when n approaches to infinity, we are getting 2. Here 2 is L value is greater than 1. Therefore, the sequence is convergence when limit n tends to infinity, un by un plus 1. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, I'll give one more problem. Write down the series I will give you. One plus 2 factorial by 2 square plus 3 factorial okay, by 3 cube plus 4 factorial by 4 power 4 plus etc. First you write the correct nth term. What will be the nth term? Yeah, this is simple thing.
N
Ma'am, what
factorial
is
upon n की power n.
and 3
N
factorial
Question
upon
1 to
q?
N factorial upon n की power
n,
n.
n power n.
N power
N power
n.
n. That's all. N factorial by n power n. And then you check. First you write un plus 1. Un plus 1.
N factorial upon n plus 1 whole upon n plus 1 into n.
Then you find un by un plus 1 or un plus 1 by un also, you are convenient.
Ma'am, it is equal to 1.
So या म्यूट कर